This is a stained glass panel that I made of Zagreus from the video game Hades. This was commissioned by someone who is herself an artist. So she did all of the design work, and then I just did the glass work. It's a total of 32 inches high by 20 inches wide, before accounting for the frame. And the scene, if you're not familiar with the game, this is shortly after his first successful escape from the Underworld. And our main character, Zagreus, is seeing the sun for the first time. The ocean was a bit tricky. First off, trying to differentiate clearly the sky from the ocean with all of these sunset colors. So I tried to do more rounded curves in the sky to give it more of a cloud-like look versus the more mostly horizontal lines that you see in the ocean. And the glass choices took some doing. I started with this one. I liked the purple that was in it. It worked nice on its own. Just didn't quite work up against the orange, and especially as we get down because he's standing in the snow. And when you have this right up against the snow, it really whitens when it's in the light. And so it just wasn't clear what was going on. It kind of just looked like snow everywhere. So we ended up scrapping that. And I wanted to lean more into purple. So I found this, which is a really pretty glass. It's got some nice blues and some nice purples. It's just too opaque. When I had it up against the rest of the pieces, it just wasn't letting enough light through. And I just wasn't happy with how that was working. So then I went a little lighter. And I found this really pretty glass. It's got some nice blues, some nice purples, but it's just a little too transparent when you get it in the light. It just lets too much through, so that just wasn't working. Then I went full purple, going with this, which has a nice streakiness to it, a nice purple color. The problem was these larkspurs are also purple, and there's clearly areas where you have the ocean up against the larkspur, and having this purple right up against that glass just made it too messy in here. It was too confusing what exactly was going on here. So I bailed on the purple and then finally landed on this blue. And what I like about this is it still has some of those sunset colors in there to kind of help tie it into the ocean. And this color as well, I'd initially gone with this, which is a little more textured. It has kind of a flame look to it. And the main issue is the texture was very rounded. On here, it just had a very like boiling sort of look to it, which kind of worked against the sort of horizontal idea here of the ocean seen in the distance. So when you have these big round boils of dark red, it looked like it was standing in front of a lake of lava. So finally landed on this, which does have some wispiness to it. It's kind of a yellowish, orangish color that I think complements the sky nicely without looking too much like the sky. All told, this was 166 different pieces of glass, 50 of which were hand painted and kiln fired. And that's to account for some of the line work, some of the details like the skull and the line work in his body and this up here, and then some of the shading as well. So this is all other than this. This piece here, for example, is all a single piece of glass, and then I paint on the line work, that gets fired in a kiln, and then the different layers of shading, and then it goes back in the kiln so that those all fuse onto the glass permanently. In this glass I used for the sun, I tried to use something with pretty high transparency to let a lot of light through. It's also iridescent. It's kind of hard to tell from here. So even when it's not backlit, hopefully there'll be a nice amount of reflection coming off of it to still let the sun stand out. I like the way the Verada came out. Wanted to go with flat colors with high transparency to make it stand out from the rest of the glass, which is mostly opalescent. So hopefully, as people are walking by or seeing it from different angles, they'll see this sort of effect from that high transparency. If you'd like to commission a piece, message us through our Etsy store at the web address in the description below. Be sure to like and subscribe, and visit us at our website at jupiter-glass.com.